Happy National Space Day.
Happy National Space Day to everyone.
Happy National Space Day!
Space is certainly the place of dreams.
हमारी आज की जनरेशन बहुत सौभाग्यशाली है जिसको जल, थल, नभ और अंतरिक्ष में ऐतिहासिक कामों का यश मिल रहा है.
When Chandrayaan-3 was launched last year, it not only marked a seminal moment in India's space program, but also energized a nation's young minds to the infinite possibilities of a career in space. Thus was born National Space Day, which will be celebrated every year on August 23rd. That was the day last year when Vikram lander on board Chandrayaan-3 deployed on the moon and the Pragyan rover began its operations. Ahead of National Space Day, the All India Council for Technical Education, in collaboration with ISRO and the Indian Space Association, hosted an event titled Creating a Space Ecosystem, a New Era, Igniting Young Minds for Space Exploration. In a packed hall buzzing with excitement, students from across the country gathered to not just celebrate India's space achievements, but to look ahead at what could be and their possible role in it. Dr. S. Somanath, chairman of ISRO, was there to give them a pep talk.
But looking beyond Chandrayaan-3 is something that all enthuse us, to excite us. What you have to do beyond this? Just now we made an impact of touching on the moon, but the journey beyond this is more important. And space has different dimensions today. And one of them is its ability to provide the communication, remote sensing, timing, and other services, which are regular capabilities that we know today. I think this need to expand in the coming days because the need of this country is very wide. The space sector is serving certain part of the nation.
He dwelt on the technologies and capabilities that India has developed over the years, often in the face of international strictures and denials.
To be the first nation to go to moon and land on the southern side of the moon, I think all these are indicators of a certain amount of capability today. But we have no doubt on the fact that the investment that we made in the space program has benefited the society, touched the people. I think many a times people don't realize how it impacted it. And we have commissioned recently a study with some of the consultants to understand and measure what exactly was the impact of the investment that we made in the space program in the society. Not only society, in various aspects of it, in terms of economy, in terms of job creation, in terms of overall the societal impact in different sectors, let it be the agriculture, the security, the natural resources planning, the administration and governance, digital connectivity. If you look at all these sectors, how it really contributed.
Also present was the ambassador of the European Union, who highlighted the history of collaboration with India's space program.
Fair to say today, EU and India both stand as major space actors and strategic actors. When we talk about EU, it's EU and its member states, and ISRO has several notable partnerships with EU countries, and few of them dating back to 50 years old. Space cooperation represents an optimal choice for the EU-India strategic dialogue and security dialogue considering the global security challenges we face.
The first National Space Day will be an opportunity to reflect on how far India has journeyed in space. Today, a space startup industry is coming up. New collaborations are bearing fruit, such as the Artemis program. An Indian astronaut is heading for the International Space Station. The release of Chandrayaan-3 data on August 23, 2024 will empower researchers and inspire new discoveries, paving the way for future generations to explore the cosmos.